Hello, this is the video for Tuesday, September 28th. It'll be quick. What we did today was finish the story. The story is linked here, What You Pawn I Will Redeem. If you haven't started it or you hadn't finished it yet, please finish it today. There's an online read aloud link here if you'd rather listen to it. You can skip number 3 if you're watching this from home. And then number 4, we started a document called the What You Pawn Jigsaw. It's in Schoology. If you're watching this video, open that up and just pick one of those topics, one that you're going to focus on as you go back and try to understand the story. Your topics available are things like alcohol, grandmother, the yellow bead, cops, other Indians. So you pick one topic and then you go back, read the story, and try to find quotes that are about that topic. And then your stem for today is Jackson knows that he is the yellow bead, because, but, so. So add that to your documents for Tuesday the 28th and then complete it. And that's what we did.